Hey everybody, just a quick instructional video on how to set up the transfer belts. Line up the far transfer belt with the guide rail, lock it off, open the new one up, hold in the front, hold in the back, bring it in gently, take the containers out, move it in another 3 millimeters so there's pressure on the containers, lock it off, turn the belts on. They're on 40 at the moment. We'll start up the conveyor and we may need to adjust the speed of the belts as we go. You can see that those containers are turning. I'll just speed up the speed of the far side belt and you see that it's stopped. And there you have it. Thanks for watching.